Don't stop breathing. Don't stop breathing.
So this is the current state of the living room, which I know you've seen in several clips, but it's a mess and there are tools everywhere. And so
Don't stop.
let's get this cleaned up.
Don't stop breathing. 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 Don't stop breathing.
I'm going to attempt to do a voiceover with my small mic, and the quality might be bad, so I apologize in advance. Maybe one day I will get a new microphone. But in the meantime, I really hope that you're liking this video. If you are, please give it a thumbs up. If you're liking any of my videos, the engagement really helps YouTube to recognize my channel and to push it out to even more amazing people just like you. So make sure to comment, say hi, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. So another thing that we are dealing with is because we need to move in so quickly, the countertops are not going to be ready until January. The countertop people still have to come out. They have to measure everything. What is that called? But once they do that, then they have to send us the plans. Hold on. There we go. So they have to send us the final rendition. We have to approve it. And then it's basically like 3 weeks from that date until we actually have them come and install the cabinets. So in the meantime, we are doing a makeshift plywood countertop with a sink that we had in the shed. Here comes one of my favorite people in the entire world. This is what the countertop is looking like for a temp. She's cute. It looks so good. So now I've got some contact paper that I am going to apply. So we've got a smooth surface and don't get any splinters.
Don't stop breathing.
Hello, I hope you all are well. We are gonna go run some errands today. There's really no good place to put you. I could put you here, but you would fall off. See, there's just like, there's always something in the way. But anyway, we are gonna go to the bank, then we need to go to Sherwin-Williams, then we need to go to Spectrum to try to get our internet changed over. I have to go to the grocery store. I need to get some cleaning supplies because today we are cleaning the apartment and we are getting ready to move in. Alright, so I didn't film anything of me running errands, like going to Sherwin-Williams, the bank, nothing, because honestly, it's a little awkward carrying a big camera around. I'm not there yet with confidence in vlogging. But anyway, I'm back and I've already started to clean and I'm feeling I'm feeling good. We're getting there. So pretty much the bedroom and studio is fully swept. And I'm gonna go through with the Dyson, get all the extra little dust particles, and then I'm going to use my O-Cedar. I just got a new one, actually. Have you guys tried this one out with 2 separate water cleaning tanks? I'm very excited. Because the other one, it is awesome, but at the same time, like, you keep dipping your mop into dirty water. So it doesn't make sense. This makes sense. So I'm excited to open this and get cleaning. There we go. Okay, that's much better. So we have all these tools that I organized over here yesterday. And now I'm like, I don't know what to do with them or where to put them. My husband is in here and he doesn't know exactly which tools he's still gonna need for any odds and end jobs, but I really need to get like everything clean. So yeah, we are gonna keep going because we have to. Oh, who is that? But in the meantime, I'll just show you. Okay, ooh, our TV came in. Black Friday sale. That is our storm door. We are gonna put that on at the very, very, very end after everything's moved in. So clean, 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 clean. I need to clean all of this out and clean that and get that ready for linens. And then this room is cleaned up for the most part. Still needs to be mopped. Bathroom toilet is in. Amazing. Everything is coming together. We just need to hang our medicine cabinet. And I think we're gonna do that tonight, maybe. Cannot wait to have all of this gone so that I can have a dining room. Floor is clean. I'm gonna go ahead and roll out the rug. Like I said before in a previous video, I'm not gonna keep it, but for now it'll be good. It'll muffle noise and, you know, it will complete the living room. I feel like you have to have a rug, right? Right. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move all of the tools and the things from the dining room to the rug, but I'm gonna put something down on top of the rug, like, because I literally just vacuumed this entire thing. So, wanna keep it clean. And then I can start working on cleaning, and I'm gonna bring our internet stuff over here because I had it switched today, so that's exciting. Okay. Organized pile for Jeremy. Dining room. I'm so excited. Okay, I found this. It looks vintage to me. I'm gonna do it as our fruit holder, and it is gonna go right over here. So we bought, it's right there, we gotta build it. It is a microwave little cabinet, and it basically will be the same height as the countertops. So this is gonna go right there. Clean this off. Gonna start bringing a couple of our coffee makers over. Might as well. And then the table. Definitely an older table, so it's kind of rickety. Also, the floor, not level at all. Kind of slopes down that way, but that's all right. At some point I'll get some little shims to lift up this side so it's level. I don't think you can tell that much, but I can tell. I'm super picky. Let's go get some stuff and bring it over. Hi. Hello. Look who's with us for a little bit. Come here. Okay. I'm gonna show you all the state of our apartment. Okay. So this is where we've lived for almost 7 years. And we're not getting rid of any furniture. Well, actually, no, I take that back. A couple of pieces we are getting rid of. Keeping our couch. Our couch is going to be the very last thing that we move because we have absolutely nothing else to sit on. And those chairs I'm going to move over right now. Thing's a mess, so please excuse. This is like our dining office area. It really never was a dining area because there's always stuff on it. So, and you feel like you're kind of in the corner. Like, you know, eating dinner. Anyway, it's just not fun. But yeah, everything is a mess. All right, I am officially out of breath because my husband called me and he's like, I need you to empty out the white cabinet and have it ready to go, to be moved by the time I get off work, which will probably be in like 30 minutes. So a good friend of ours is gonna come and help because I don't think I could do it. I don't think that I have the strength to help my husband carry this from this apartment to the other apartment. So thank you. You know who you are, who's coming to help. So appreciate that. But in the meantime, I got everything cleared out. It's tons of, hey, what are you eating? No. What is this? Gunner. Oh my goodness, kid. It's not chocolate, don't worry. So anyway, we're gonna move this over tonight as well. But this is all of my paint stuff and also our office stuff, which we kept in one side. So that's the update. And can I just say I'm officially pooped. What do you think, Gunner? Cabinet has been moved over to the new place, so I will show you what that looks like in a little bit. Good morning from my dining table. Freaking out. I'm freaking out, you guys. I genuinely can't believe this is happening. So excited. Hi, Gunner. Okay, gotta show you. Look at this beautiful candle holder. Candelabra. Stunning. Everything is stunning. Like the light that comes in this room in the morning. Be careful. Coffee bar. So much moved over last night. So, cabinet is in. And this is gonna store all of my paints and canvases and office supply stuff. I've got my surfboard. And then this side is gonna be my work desk and my husband's work desk. So this is gonna be the office. Bookshelf there. And then bedroom pretty much looks the same. Oh, My Aunt Barb, again, she's amazing. She had this Asian cabinet at her house for a long time, and she just gave it to me. So I think that that is gonna go right there in that corner. And then I have a big mirror, and I think I'm gonna put the big mirror here. Still need to do the burl wood. I am behind.